Well, the people voted and we are keeping the car. So I was told that in the comments that y'all want to see what it'd sound like with just the muffler delete. So it doesn't look like we're going to need much. We're just going to delete this for now. But looks like we're going to run from there to here. And we'll probably just do a single, because there's not really any point in having a dual exhaust. I do have a long-term goal for this car, and it's definitely going to require a catless downpipe, because I do plan on getting bigger injectors and getting a tune for this. Eventually probably swapping out the KO4 for some sort of hybrid KO4, or just a better quality one. This one might be good enough, but definitely long-term goals is to make this car quicker, because I have a friend with a Honda Civic something. I'm not a Honda guy. It's a something. It's a newer one. It's a 1.5 turbo. We haven't stacked them up stock, but the ultimate goal is just to leave them in the dust. So, yeah. He's also marrying my sister, so that's another reason. So I found a piece of piping here. It's a couple feet. We might not even have to build an S for it. We'll probably just connect it straight out. I'm gonna use the factory tip, because this is mild steel, I believe, so it rusts. But yeah, it'll eventually look like that. So we'll keep the tip. Okay, so if you're gonna start welding, I always make sure to disconnect the battery. The battery is now disconnected. So what I'm doing is I was going to use this side because it made sense, but now it doesn't, because this curves in an opposite direction. It curves inwards. And I need one that curves the other way, like this. So the complete opposite of the other one. So I am using the passenger side for the driver's side. Now, in order to make sure this is all gonna line up correctly, you need to set it where you like it, and then do a temporary tack weld to hold it in place until you can finish fully welding the exhaust. As you can see, got a shitty tack right there and a pretty good one right there. Now we just fill in the rest. Okay, well, it looks like absolute garbage, but it's not gonna leak from that area. Now, just have to weld the rest of it to the car. Make sure you're wearing the proper equipment when welding. I wasn't wearing my gloves, get a little burnt, okay? Always wear this though, protect your eyes. Shirt, probably should not wear just a normal shirt. Shorts, don't wear shorts, but we in Texas. Hey dudes aren't obvious, okay? You have to wear hey dudes no matter what. So obviously there's a resonator in there and it makes it not sound as good, but this is it. Because right now, it kinda sounds like poop. And it also kinda looks stupid with it sticking out like that. So I think I wanna do a resonator delete and then get a fart can and put it there instead. Because I thought it would look cool. Because I think it'd be cool if flames were shooting off to the side, but I don't really like the way that tip looks in particular. I think we need a nice fat tip, like a 4-inch tip just sticking out the bottom there. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Did I ruin this car? And if so, should I put it all back together, or should we keep trying to modify it and make it cool? Another question I have for you guys, should I do the tune for this car and get like rolling anti-lag, no lift shift, 2-step, and they got a new option that they didn't have before. It's like an AK-47 at a certain RPM you let off and it goes bam, 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 bam. That would be kind of obnoxious, but should we shoot for that, or should we skip the AK-47 stuff? Let me know. That being said, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. It's been about, well, it has been over a year since I left Idaho when I had my Mk1 Rabbit. I'm trying to get back in the game. This is I guess a project car for now. I eventually plan on selling this car and getting something classic. I do really want either a Mk1 Rabbit, or I've always wanted a 69 Volkswagen Beetle. So I think that would be an awesome project. But yeah, other than that, you guys have a good day or a good night, or a good squat on the toilet if you're watching this on the toilet. I will see you guys in the next video.